Today, we going to review the top 5 best couch steam cleaner, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Bissell 3624 Spot Clean Professional Portable Carpet Cleaner. Bissell 3624 Spot Clean is a powerful, portable, yet professional cleaner that also doesn't cost you a heart and kidney. Even if your carpet is filthy, add hot water and cleaning solution in the machine, the Bissell 3624, and get your new rug back just within a few minutes. It is quite versatile at cleaning so many different furniture and upholstery, and not just the couch. Also, if you are a pet owner, this will change your life as it can tackle all cleaning responsibilities. Deep stains, food spillage, everything is removable by this powerful machine.
Number 2.
Hoover Spotless Portable Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner. If you are very stressed about the stains left around the home by your kids and pets, Hoover Spotless is your best bet on cleaning them. If the kids left the house with countless shoe spots at home and you are clueless what to do, then Hoover Spotless Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner will significantly help you out to get rid of them. You do not need to spend the whole day cleaning. It's portable, lightweight, and at the same time very powerful. Even people who live in a tiny apartment can store it in there to use quite easily. Stains are a big reason for the foul odors in the house, and by using the Hoover Spotless, you can get rid of the foul-smelling odors and stains from both of your couch and other places.
Number 3.
Dupre One Steam Cleaner with Complete Accessory Kit. Are you interested in good quality stuff that also looks great? Dupre One Steam Cleaner is made with European precision to give you chemical-free cleaning with less stain on your hand. The Dupre has created a simple yet quite elegant-looking machine which also does the job of deep cleaning your couch quite well. It is, in fact, the best handheld steam cleaner for couches. Once you use it, you will get to understand why, as you can roll it around the kitchen, furniture, or any place of garage or house with quite an ease due to its Dupre One Steam Cleaner can clean 99% germs and dirt from the area of cleaning. It is a high-temperature cleaner, so the bacteria get terminated and the stains as well.
Number 4.
McCulloch MC1275 Heavy Duty Cleaner. What makes a good steam cleaner? The answer will differ a lot and depend on the person we are talking about. But most importantly, it should be able to collect and clear all types of stains from your couch. The McCulloch cleaner is a compact, sleek, and convenient in every part as a steam cleaner, and its performance is also mind-blowing as you can clear up any food and other stains from your couch. More than that, it can also reach any difficult-to-reach the place easily with it. It is powerful enough to clean grease and even food scraps from the floor.
Number 5.
Pure Enrichment Pure Clean. If you need a good bargain for cleaning couches under than $150, nothing can beat this Pure Enrichment Pure Clean Steam Cleaner. You can clean your home spotlessly on any floor, or any fabric material your couch might have effectively with it. The design of the product is compact because you can wrap the cord on the back of it to store it easily in any corners of your house. It comes with 18 pieces of heavy-duty accessories, so you will have a well-built steam cleaner that will surely keep germs and bacteria off your floor and couch. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you like the best couch steam cleaner we select for this year. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to the best couch steam cleaner, which are listed here, please leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.